In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. Merging cells is a simple way to make your spreadsheet look cleaner and more organized, especially when you want a title to span multiple columns or a label to run down several rows. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, highlight the cells you want to combine. Click and drag across adjacent cells so they're all selected. You can select a block of cells, a set of columns across a single row, or a set of rows down a single column. Just make sure the cells are next to each other. Google Sheets only merges contiguous selections. Before you proceed, glance at the cells you've selected and confirm whether any of them contain different data. That matters because of what happens next. Now go to the top menu and choose Format, then hover over Merge Cells. You'll see three options: Merge All, Merge Vertically, and Merge Horizontally. Pick the one that matches the layout you want. Merge All turns the entire selection into a single, larger cell. This is great when you want one big area for a heading or a note that spans both multiple columns and multiple rows. Merge Vertically combines cells in each column across the selected rows. Think of it as creating tall cells within each column. It's handy for side labels or grouping information down the page while keeping columns distinct. Merge Horizontally combines cells in each row across the selected columns. This is what most people use for a header that runs across the top of several columns in a single row. When you merge, Google Sheets keeps only the content from the upper left cell of your selection. Any text or values in the other cells are removed as part of the merge. That's why it's smart to check your selection first, and if needed, move important content into the top left cell before merging. After the merge, your new cell will expand to cover the exact area you highlighted, and you'll have one place to type or format your label. A few things to keep in mind for smooth results. Merged cells can affect how sorting and certain functions behave, since they change the normal grid layout. If your sheet relies heavily on sorts, filters, or formulas that reference neat rectangular ranges, plan your merges thoughtfully. Also, alignment and styling typically follow the formatting of the upper left cell, so set that cell up the way you want before merging to save time. And that's it. Highlight your cells, go to Format, choose Merge Cells, and select the option that fits your layout. With this simple move, your sheets can look clearer, more professional, and easier to read.